Hi, today I explain the topics of first partial, uncontables, uncountable nouns, there is, there are, and quantifiers. I will try to explain in a few words. There is and there are. This used to specify that something exists or doesn't exist in a specific location. There is used for countable nouns or uncountable nouns singular, and there are is used for countable singular. I give you two examples. The first example, is there is a book on the table, and there are three chairs in the room. Quantifiers. We use quantifiers when we want to give some information about the numbers of something. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns they are things that can be counted, and countable nouns can be used numbers and quantifiers. For example, you can count apples, orange, chairs, cars. One example of sentence of this is there is a table in there is a book on the table, and uncountable nouns they are cannot be counted. They normally don't have a plural form. For example, time, money, information. Now, one example of this is there is some water in the glass, for example. I have here a list of quantifiers. Quantifiers countables is some, any only for questions or negatives, many, a few, and several. Several is how a few. Quantifiers uncountables is some, any, much, a little, or little. A little is how a few, and little is muy poco. No sé cómo se dice muy. I have a list of quantifiers here. Quantifiers countables is some, any, only for negatives or questions, many, a few, and several. Quantifiers uncountables is some, any, much, a little, a little. And quantifiers can use countables and uncountable nouns is a lot of or lots of. And these are the topics of English first partial. Thank you for paying attention, and goodbye.